In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove Face ID on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started guys, and the first off you need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down a bit until you find here Face ID and passcode. You will be asked to enter your passcode to proceed. And then, scroll down until you find that option. It is called Reset Face ID, and in order to turn it off, just tap right here. However guys, now it says that we need to turn off Stolen Device Protection first to reset Face ID. I'm gonna hit OK now, and then we need to scroll it down, and that's where Stolen Device Protection located. By turning off this button, we can easily disable it. However, for security reasons, changing these settings can be sometimes delayed for 1 hour. By clicking right here, that time will count down, and after 1 hour, you will receive a notification that you can disable the Stolen Device Protection on your device. So you will need to go back here again, and then you can disable this setting just by clicking right here like I've just done. After that, go back here to Face ID and passcode, and now we can easily reset our Face ID simply by tapping right here. Basically guys, that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.